Hello and welcome to today's edition on how to create a planning analytics data source for Cognos Analytics 12. We're going to jump right in and we're going to head into my Cognos Analytics environment. So as you can see, I am on the welcome page for Cognos Analytics, so my starting point. The first thing I want to do here is go to this menu up in the upper left corner and select Manage Data Server Connection. Now, I want to create and add a new data server. And there are a couple of important pieces of information that I need to remember when I create a data server connection. So, the first thing you want to do is go to your Planning Analytics install directory where you have your services for the various data servers. You then want to open up the configuration file for the database that you are specifically looking to add as a data service. In this case, I'm looking at my sustainability scope 3, and it is security mode 5, admin host IBM demos. Now that's just specific to mine. You will need to find the admin host for yours, and you want to understand and remember the HTTP port number. First thing I'm going to do, I want to give it a name. And so this is going to be called Scope 3. You can give it a description if you would like. And then the next important piece of information is selecting what is my connection type. So in here, I can just look for Planning Analytics, make that selection, and choose Next. Here's where that information from your configuration file is nested. Database admin host. That is this admin host right here. The HTTP port number. That is what you find right here. And your authentication. Because I am using security mode 5, and it could be either 4 or 5, I want to select integrated security. So let me put that information in here. Now I want to test the connect. The test is successful. Now I can move on. Here, I'm not making any choices or doing anything different with my commands. So it's time to create that data. Now, you can see the new data server connection has been created. Let's go into it because once you create that data source connection, the next thing you need to do is determine, well, which cubes, which assets inside that server do I want to work with? And I want to create data modules from these. So in this instance, I'm going to choose my scope 3 cube and create a data module from that. I need to choose where to put this. So I'm going to create a new folder and call that sustainability scope 3. And so now, once I create that folder, I have a home for this. And I'm going to get rid of the word catalog off of here. That I'm going to select my sustainability scope 3 and hit save to add that scope 3 module inside that folder. Once this is successful, now it's time to create a dashboard, a report, an exploration. Go back up to that menu in the upper left, and we're going to go right here to new. And in this time, I'm just going to say a new dashboard. I will select this initial template. When I create that, I get to select a source. Here's where I will now go in and look at that sustainability scope 3 and choose that data module that we just created. And now from here, I can go in and just insert what type of visualization am I looking for. So if it is a column chart, I could do that and now start bringing over my KPIs, my versions, whatever I want as the information to create that visualization. So there you have it, the pickle in the middle and the mustard on top. Thank you for joining me on how to create a data source connection using Planning Analytics inside Cognos Analytics 12. Have a great day.